Hey, what's going on today, guys? Video service information here. Today we're looking at a 2015 Nissan Rogue. The customer was complaining that they had a whine noise at constant highway speeds. The vehicle's got around 58,000 miles on it. It's got the 2.5 four-cylinder engine. It does have the CVT transmission. It's the only way you can get these Rogues anyway for 2015. Did confirm the noise with the customer. Going at highway speeds, we heard a whine, grinding type noise. You could hear it under acceleration, and the noise would get louder as the speed increases. There's no diagnostic trouble codes in this vehicle. The check engine light is not on. No code stored. Looking at the fluid in the transmission, I mean, it was okay. Didn't really start seeing metallic in the fluid until we got the transmission tore down to see what the problem was. I actually found a bulletin on it that basically states exactly what the concern was. Blow it up here. He said if you can confirm a whine or grind type noise during acceleration or under constant highway speeds, the level of noise may increase as vehicle speed increases. This TSB number is it's NTB-102B. It was dated March 28th, 2019. And these are the vehicles that it applies to right here: 2013 to 17 Altima, 14 to 17 Rogue with the four-cylinder. We do have a 15. This one's a 2015 Nissan Rogue. Oh, basically it tells you to tear the transmission apart and check the reduction gear assembly bearing. So I'll go back over, and when we get this thing apart here, I can show you the reduction gear bearing, and you'll clearly see all this pitting and metal delamination here. Went through the first layer of metal and down into the second, third layer. It's all metal delaminating on this bearing. So that whine, grind noise we were hearing at highway speed, it was coming from this bearing here. I'll bring up a picture of the race. This is the reduction gear assembled race, and going back to the bulletin, let's see here. Get it blown up so you guys can see it. So we had a damaged race, and going through the bulletin here, it says inspect the fit of both reduction gear outer bearing races, showing the race in the CVT case. So inspecting the race, we noticed we were able just to pop this thing right out. So it did not have a pressed fit inside the case. And then going back to the bulletin here again, basically states here on B, it says either races can be moved by hand, which we were able to move them by hand. You could actually just pop them right out. They were not press fit at all. And going all the way down to C, it says just replace the CVT transmission. So we have a mismachined CVT case, most likely from the factory. There's aluminum, so more apt for the case to be mismachined than the bearing itself. And just a visual inspection, I mean, even though we're replacing this whole CVT, and we just took a look at the belt here, you can see pulleys were fine. Didn't have your normal CVT wear that we normally see with gouged pulleys or a broken belt. Everything else was fine. Couldn't get the case half from the Nissan. It was not serviceable. So like I said previously, went ahead and changed the whole CVT transmission on the vehicle. And you can see here, new transmission's installed. Went on a road test, everything was fine with the new transmission, no noise. So the vehicle will go back to the customer. Hey guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get notified every time we put up a new video. Have a nice day.